Christian, CSM, Customer Success Manager CX at SAP. Today we are excited to bring you another episode of our SAP Product Inspiration Series, focusing on my customer Döhler and the transformation journey with guided selling in SAP Sales Cloud version 2. Joining me are Michelle Emmerich from Döhler and Rasim Özkan from Solvia, Döhler's implementation partner. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining me. Michelle, to start off, could you please tell us why Döhler chose guided selling in Sales Cloud V2 and how is it different from previous solutions?
Yeah, thanks Christian for having us today. At Döhler, we are always looking for ways to make our sales processes smarter and more data-driven, and that's exactly why we chose guided selling in Sales Cloud version 2. Compared to previous solutions, guided selling offers a much more intelligent, AI-powered approach. It automatically brings together key customer insights, opportunity data, and even proposes the next best actions to our users, and all in one place, like having a digital assistant right in the system. And that means, as a result, that our sales teams no longer have to spend time searching for information or guessing the next step, and instead they get clear, data-driven recommendations that help them focus on what really matters. And that's what we see as a big step forward.
Thank you, Michelle, for your explanations. Rasim, from Solvia's perspective, what specific guided selling capabilities have been implemented at Döhler?
We leveraged the new V2 capabilities of guided selling to take Döhler's opportunity process to the next level. Especially, dynamic, customized playbooks provide smart recommendations that guide users step by step through each sales phase, making the process easier, faster, and more effective. On top of that, we implemented a Döhler-specific BTP extension for their sampling request process, which we embedded into the guided selling experience.
That sounds impressive. Michelle, back to you. How satisfied are you and your end users with guided selling? And more important, what value has it delivered for Döhler?
I can tell that we are really happy with the results so far, and the feedback from our sales teams has been very positive as well. I think what they appreciate most is how intuitive and user-friendly guided selling is. They have the optimized workspaces and the built-in guidance. They get all the relevant information in a very structured way, from opportunity details and corresponding sales processes to customer history data, AI-driven recommendations, and everything is right there in one overview. We are also using the playbook feature that guides our users step by step through the process, pointing them to the next best action. And that's, of course, a huge help for them because it keeps everyone on track, and it also requires only minimal training to get new joiners onboarded. Combined with embedded insights like deal intelligence, relationship intelligence, engagement advice, I think that guided selling has really improved our productivity and our decision making.
Great insights, Michelle. It's clear that guided selling in version 2 has positively impacted Döhler's sales operations. What would be your advice for other companies? How shall they start to benefit from guided selling in Sales Cloud V2?
My main advice is to start by really understanding your sales journey. Map it out and identify where guidance and automation can make the biggest impact. Then, of course, involve your sales teams right from the beginning, because their input and their buy-in are at the end crucial for a successful implementation, and get their feedback, because this will help you tailor guided selling to your specific needs. It's also important to plan your integrations early, because Sales Cloud version 2 connects seamlessly with tools like SAP S/4HANA, Microsoft Outlook, Teams, and when implemented correctly, you can really create a true 360-degree view. And finally, make full use of the advanced analytics and AI features, because at the end they will deliver deeper insights, they will enable smarter, data-driven decisions that truly elevate the way your teams sell.
That's excellent, Michelle and Rasim. Thank you both for sharing your insights and experiences. Döhler's journey with SAP Sales and Service Cloud V2 is truly inspiring, and we're looking forward to see more of these success stories in the future. But now it's demo time. Let's see an integrated system demo about guided selling at Döhler in full action.
This demo shows how sales users at Döhler go through the lead to opportunity process in their daily work. First, we use the global search filter to search for all leads of our customer Naturafizz beverages. We see that there is an open lead which is still unqualified. As we would like to check this lead, we click on it to open the quick view from which we directly jump into the lead object. Under the Overview tab on the left side panel, we can see the lead details, engagement, and highlights. Under the Timeline tab, we can check all the activities regarding this lead. It is also possible to generate a PDF summary of this lead, which we can print or download immediately. Under the General tab, we see general data such as notes, activities, products, or the document flow. Under the Samples tab, which is a Döhler-specific application built on SAP B2P, we can check if there are lead-related sampling requests. The Lead Booster, which is an out-of-the-box GenAI feature, provides deeper insights about the company, challenges, pain points, benefits, etc. After completing the sampling request process with just one click on the playbook card, we can take the next step in the process and convert this lead to an opportunity. Relevant lead data will be passed automatically, and we just need to maintain mandatory fields to save the opportunity. After creation, the opportunity can be found in the document flow of the lead, from which we can directly jump into the opportunity itself.
We are in the Opportunity screen, which has a similar UI to the Lead screen. On the left side, we have the side panel, and the structure of the General tab is the same. Now we are ready to accelerate the deal and go step by step through our guided selling process by updating the playbook cards. First, we select the opportunity type as assortment. In the next step, we maintain the potential by entering the sales indication per kilogram. Following that, we select Germany as the country of sales. After updating the winning probability, we are ready to proceed to the second phase. In the development phase, we can add customer interactions such as call logs, appointments, emails, or tasks. We decide to maintain an appointment with type phone call. Because for this opportunity, we do not need a sampling process. We skip phase 3 and go on to phase 4. In the negotiation phase, we select Darmstadt as the sales plant and complete the request for quotation process, as well as the pricing and margin tool process. Following that, we proceed to the first order phase, in which we can close the opportunity. For closing the opportunity, we maintain some mandatory fields. We set the status to 1, select a reason for status, and type in a closing comment. Next, we select the winning products and try to save the opportunity. To do that, we need to fill in all required fields. Therefore, we also add the launch date and save again. What a success! Let the confetti rain begin. Thanks a lot for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.